Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny here, back at it again with the S2K. What I got going on today is I'm gonna be removing my AC line. I was gonna try to do a cold start with the S2000. I still don't have a couple things, but I mean, I'm not gonna end up doing it because I need to get those couple things. Because I heard basically, I was gonna, like, they said you don't really need an intercooler or the downpipe. I mean, the downpipe is to direct everything away from here, but I was just gonna do like a quick, really mini cold like start just to, you know, hear it kind of. But there's a couple other things that I forgot to get the bolts that go down here for the oil drain line, and I can't do that. So unfortunately that's not gonna happen today. Instead, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be removing the AC lines, because I also did remember this shit's getting in the way of this one. So I need to go ahead and do that. This is my first time removing AC whatsoever. I know nothing about it whatsoever. I'm just visually inspecting it and seeing where these lines go. But yeah, other than that, let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and take your AC to go get it drained out. That's what I did. I go ahead and got it drained out. And then after that, you're going to want, there's going to be some this thing's gonna be right here against the firewall. So the way it works, you want to push this in while having another flathead push this out. There's I think someone broke one on the other side, but it was broken, so I only had to do it to one, not unless that's how it goes. So let me kind of show. So you want to push this in because it's a hook, push it in at the same time, like have a flathead in here, and then push it out, and then should come off. And then it kind of like also on the inside in the firewall, it catches on with these screws, so you kind of want to, like, in a way, like bring it in out like that, like, you know. So if not, you could pull enough just to get something in there and push it. But yeah, so then after that, I'm gonna go ahead right now. I'm assuming I have to take off this bolt that's in here. You'll see it, shouldn't miss it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you get that bolt off, you should have enough. You'll have to go right here. Right here is that clip, pull it out of there, and then I think there's right here too. So go ahead and pull it out of those clips and then pull back on it. It's not gonna go far back, it's gonna go like that much. And then you wanna go over here. Right here is where it connects to the other line for the condenser. Go ahead and get a 19 yeah, let me see. Yeah, it'd be like a 19 or 20. I just used the little crescent wrench, got it in there, and then I got this 8/17 for the other side, and I was able to put it enough in here just to get it on the other side, and then break it loose and then twist it off. And then probably just want to pull back on it. It's clipped in right there too. You'll see it. There's another clip right there. But let me see if I get a flathead to kind of like push it up. There we go. It's out. I'll grab. Kind of just mangle it out of there. And there you go. That's the first line right there. Out.
You doing on YouTube?
Yeah. And then this other one, it's gonna run all the way down to over here. You're probably gonna want to loosen this up first, and then you should be able to probably move it out and unclip it from right here too. So alright, so now the AC's out the way. I mean, the lines for that were running over here, they're out the way. I am going to reroute them through the back. They do sell kits, or I'm going to make my own. As always, you guys know me, I like to make my own shit. But for now, they're out. Basically, it'll be easier if you're stock, you know, just undo that bolt, unclip it from wherever it's clipped, and then pull it out. For me, I had to kind of bend it a little bit because the turbo's in the way, so I had to kind of like maneuver it out through right here, and then, but I got it out. They're both out. Now we're like fine. We have more room for this bad boy. Not a lot, not crazy a lot, but it'll be just enough to maybe clear it. Hopefully we can clear it once we run the piping. But I mean, yeah, fuck, that was pretty simple. It seems overly complicated when you're looking at it, but it's pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one too over there. There's another, like the other 2 bolts that go into the, all right, since that whole thing was pretty simple and easy, straightforward, we're gonna go ahead and do one more thing. We're gonna go ahead and remove the secondary air injection system. And this basically, this whole corner right here, there might be a couple things up here, not exactly sure what yet, but more than likely I know for sure most of it is right here located. This right here, sorry, is this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna kind of walk through just like, I know there's some videos out there, but they don't really show you how to do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and try my best to show you guys how I do it. But yeah, let's keep going. First and foremost thing you're gonna want to do, let me get a little closer here, let's go ahead and remove all the clips. Let me make sure. Now there's a couple brackets here with bolts. I see. Okay, this is gonna be a 10. So let's go ahead and get our 10 mil. I still have some hoses attached over here. Alright, so it does have 2 hoses. You just want one hose right here, and then the other one's on the front side. This one, let's go ahead and remove them, and just like that, it's out. Now those 2 hoses are gonna one's gonna run to your intake. You just yeah, just disconnect it from the intake, and then the other one is this one right here. That one. It's that one, and it goes into hard line, and then it's 2 10 mils right here, one right there, and the other one is right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. The other one's right there. So then that line will lead up through here, up through here, and basically into here, into this little thing it is. I'm not exactly sure what it is yet, but it's this one right there. It's that one. Just disconnect it. Go ahead and remove the 10 bolts, and then disconnect it, pull it out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, so once I got the hard line out, I just got it out right now. It's down over there. So you just what you want to go ahead and do is just kind of like pull it through the outside right here. You're gonna probably have to move some hosing around here, and then you should be able to pull it out through the top. But like I said, you're gonna have to move some stuff around, take off some clips that the hose has, and then after that you're gonna want to come over here. Right here, this thing will be right here, like right here with a 10 millimeter bolt. Just go ahead and undo that bolt, take it off, pull it to the side. The hose is right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and these are all pretty they're pretty stiff because they're so old. But there you go, just like that. Go ahead and take it off, throw it in the pile right there. So next, what you want to do is you're going to want to also go ahead and remove these right here, these hard air lines, or I don't know what you want to call it, but there is two 10 mil bolts holding it. 1, 2. It's kind of hard because the sun's being a bitch, but 1 and 2. Don't mix them up with these ones. This is your injection system. So let's go ahead and remove those. Alright, so now you got this secondary airflow, I don't know, like recycle shit. It's two 12 mil nuts right there. They're 12 mil nuts. Just go ahead and take them off. And then you're gonna wanna have to either get a plate made or something, or find something on eBay that's gonna go right here. And you should be able to put it back in with the two. Save those 2 nuts that you took off. And then it'll cover it up once you get the plate and you'll be good to go. So there we go. Let's go ahead and put one more thing to the junk pile. Damn. Shit, dude. Took off a lot of stuff today. We're able to do that. I'm gonna put that on right now, see how there, we got the other wastegate on with no problem, no AC line blocking the way. Happy about that. Now we just got to figure out how we're going to route this, how I'm going to want it to route this. I am going to do a hood exit like I've said before. So I'm going to have these 2 pipes automatically come right up right here. And then I got this other one. I don't know how I'm going to route it. If I'm going to make it go, maybe make it go down underneath and then merge, come out, or merge to this one. I don't know yet. I'm still figuring that out. But other than that, damn, I got quite a bit out of the way today. You know, all the lines that I need to get out of the way, the whole air injection system. So fuck, I don't know what's next. I do want to put the oil in. As I said, I also want to do like a little quick start, nothing too crazy, just to make sure that these things are gonna be good. You know, it's gonna get proper fuel and everything, but we'll have to see. I'm probably gonna have to wait just a little bit more. I also don't want to rush it or anything, because, you know, I don't want nothing to go wrong, you know. But yeah, whew. Alright, so yeah, we got all that stuff out of the way. The AC lines, the secondary injection system, that's all of that out of the way. It's, you know, it's kind of like a little DIY for people that you don't want to know how to do it, don't know how to do it. It's a little process, I guess. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit our Meister shop online. Type in Meister at the self-checkout to get 10% off. Also, I have links for Amazon links for any products that I've used in past videos, or if I have anything in this video that you like that you saw, go ahead and hit the links. It'll take you to that product. But like I said, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.